Utility and design are two different ends of a rope, but upon joining, we get a masterpiece. Citizen Metal Industries is manufacturing world's largest range of designer pressure cookers to empower your cooking. Having already set a benchmark for providing fashionable cookware across India and globe, Citizen Metal Industries has been working to produce high quality and new generation designer cookware and cooker since 1986.
सन 1986 में जब हमने सिटीजन प्रेशर कुकर का निर्माण करने के लिए सिटीजन मेटल इंडस्ट्री की स्थापना करी, तब प्रेशर कुकर इंडस्ट्री एक सामान्य दौर से गुजर रही थी। उसमें एक आधुनिकीकरण का बहुत अधिक अभाव था।
Citizen Metal Industries has the extensive and ample infrastructure which includes in-house tooling and designing. The machines are precision made and capable of manufacturing these beautiful pieces of utilitarian expertise.
एक अलग सोच किसी व्यक्ति को अलग कार्य करने के लिए प्रेरित करती है। सिटीजन मेटल इंडस्ट्री के अंदर हम ये चाहते हैं कि हम एक ऐसे प्रेशर कुकर का निर्माण करें जो सुविधाजनक होने के साथ साथ मेंटेनेंस फ्री भी हो।
Citizen Metal Industry not only makes maintenance-free pressure cooker but also provide a variety of shapes and designs and colors. The technology behind the Citizen cookers allow you to use them easily, and the different and attractive designs adds in the value of your kitchen. When engineering and art goes side by side, it innovates Citizen pressure cookers. Citizen Metal Industry provides you cookers that work efficiently for the longest period of time. They are designed in such a way that they retain their strength and continue to look new and attractive for many years.
1998 के आते ही हमने एक नई सोच के साथ एक नए प्रोडक्ट का निर्माण किया ताकि हम इस भीड़ से अलग हो सकें और अपनी एक विशेष पहचान बना सकें। इसके अंतर्गत हमने सिटीजन हांडी शेप से एक नए ब्रांड, एक नए शेप्स का निर्माण किया, जिसको न केवल समाज ने अपितु मार्केट ने बहुत अधिक प्रोत्साहन दिया। इसी प्रोत्साहन से प्रेरणा लेते हुए हमने निरंतर नई से नई शेप्स का निर्माण करना शुरू कर दिया, जो आज आपके सामने 4288 से ऊपर तक जा चुका है।
Citizen Metal Industries not only the forerunner manufacturer in the market, but also acquired quality certification, trademark registrations and awards from reputed organizations like Certification of Registered Trademark by Government of India, Patent Design, Copyright Trademark, ISI Certification, ISO 9001-2008, ONICRA Top Credit Rating, Best Cookware Design Award winner, first time CE mark on any Indian pressure cooker, and the Limca Book of Records winner for world's largest range of designer pressure cookers manufacturer. The Research and Development Department is the backbone of Citizen Metal Industry. We took every measure to watch over the safety and welfare of our workers and employers.
सिटीजन मेटल इंडस्ट्री, जहां पर प्रत्येक कर्मचारी प्रतिबद्ध है अपने कार्य प्रति और क्वालिटी प्रति। और मैं पोम बहादुर 20 साल से अनुभव कर रहा हूं कि सिटीजन मेटल इंडस्ट्री में कार्य करते हुए।
Our products are retailed pan-India, and over the last decade, Citizen pressure cookers have been loved by its ever-growing customer base. At Citizen, the quality of product measures with the satisfaction of the user and innovation measures with the happiness of clients. The idea is to reform the cooking experience with new novelties. The joy and passion of crafting the cookware transforms into the joy and passion of cooking in it. A cookware every cook deserves. A cookware of joy.